Hi guys, and we're back with another YouTube tutorial on making our antivirus. Unfortunately, this week I am well behind, and I did record an episode coding this, but somewhere in the Cam Studios library, it's decided it doesn't like it and has corrupted the file. So basically, what I'm going to go through is I'm going to go through the changes I've done. So starting with the main, I have added these two labels. The first one you don't need to name. The second one, it will need to be named scan label. Now this is going to give us our scan state. So if you double click on the scan button, this is where we left off last week. This is our string that we're sending to our service. So we're now going to open this service at the same time in another Delphi editor or another RAID Studios editor. And I'm going to talk you through the receive side of it. So this here is our thread. Now you have to declare our object up here, and you have to declare it in the uses up here. So this is going to call this up here, and it's going to start this thread up. And we're going to propagate these parameters. Now, currently custom is the only one that we have a functional scan feature for. So we're going to need to receive the information and figure out whether we want to set scan going or not. So down here, we've used our object declared here to fill the parameters. So by default, every message you send, A0 will always be the command, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever after that will be the threads, or will be the extra strings that you've sent that have been unstuck together using this split function down here. So this one is our object path. This one is our subdirectories. So are we scanning subdirectories? Is it a folder? By default, I set the client up so that it will only scan files. So that can be false. The scan type is sent by the command. Later on, we will add the subdirectory and is a folder in. And next, we're going to go back to the client because I edited some things in the client as well. So coming over here to the receive pipe, we've added this command. So this is one of our constants that we declared, and it is the message back from the scan engine to update the state on the GUI. So this will work currently. If you was to start both of them up at once and send the message from one to the other would start the scan up. However, at the minute, all you're going to get back is, where did I leave it? Is these messages. Scanning, 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 gathering information, and whatnot. Later on in the next episode, probably we're going to have to synchronize the updating of the GUI so that you don't get a crash. However, that being said, this will work fine currently. Other than that, guys, that is pretty much all I changed this week. As usual, the download link will be in the description. I'm sorry it's not a full episode, but unfortunately, I don't fancy going through and recoding all of the function and wasting another 25 minutes doing it when you can see the changes I've done yourself. So I have a couple more projects in the line. One of them being a web page where you can edit, where you can customize an antivirus. Let me know what you guys think about that. I know a lot of you guys only watched the first 3 minutes, so I won't spend too much time on that. But thanks for watching, guys, and until next time. Hey guys, if you missed the last episode is here. If you need Delphi, to get Delphi for free is on the other side, and if you're not subscribed, hit this circle in the middle.